To do a gouge, same way. To grind it, I just go away, always sharpen away from the cutting edge, establish my angle of attack that I like on the tool, and then just start rolling the gouge back and forth. Keep a little pressure on it. My grind's clear back here on the heel of the tool, so if I want to adjust that angle a little, or just keep grinding until that gets down to the cutting edge. If you roll your gouge over completely up on the wing, you'll end up starting to curve those wings back. So if you like a good straight gouge, just be careful on how far you go over with your roll while you're sharpening. You can see the fresh grind is all the way down to the cutting edge now. Then it's a matter of just going over to the strop. You'll kind of determine when you want to freshen up your stropping compound. This lasts a while, so you don't need to do it too much, otherwise you just start rolling it off the edge and wasting your compound. To get rid of the burr on the inside, I'll just roll it right along the edge of this. One nice thing about this machine, it's nice and slow. You don't heat up your tools at all, and it's pretty hard to get yourself in trouble with this. The faster machines, it doesn't take but a second to heat up the tip of your knife and ruin the temper in your tool. Nice clean cut on this. The shine on, when your wood's shining after you've made your cut, you know you have a good sharp tool then.